I always tell you.
What's under that, Mommy?
I don't know. You're gonna have to see. Get that away from me.
Somewhere near you.
It's another game. It's a big boy game. It's called Candyland.
Candyland?
Yes.
We do this later.
Yeah, we'll do this later.
Open this. It's a real small bunny.
Here, you rip it. The fun's ripping it open. Rip it open. Rip. You love ripping paper. Rip the paper. Rip it. Keep ripping. Oh, rip this way. There you go. Rip.
Another game.
Yes. Who's that on there?
Me and Little Queen.
Yes, it's a match with Mater and McQueen.
Then I got me a space station.
Is that what this is? Open it up. Here.
Maybe we live it.
Okay, here. There's the paper. Okay, now you rip it. Rip it.
It isn't a space station.
What is it?
It is Thomas.
Oh, is it some Thomas? What is it? Is it train sets?
Yeah. I got traces.
Oh, look at all those big hills. You got it? There you go. Oh, let's see what else you got.
A big one.
That is a big one. There you go. It's opening. Just start ripping it where it is.
Mommy.
Gross. See, this is the beautiful pictures that you get. Oh, dumb video.
I can't lift it up.
Just rip it where it is. You don't have to lift it up. Just rip the paper. You'll see what it is.
It's a space station under it.
Yes.
Maybe.
I'll show you the video down the stairs and then all those beautiful pictures you have. Now we'll have now.
That space station is Thomas's. What Thomas?
It's more Thomas's?
Yeah.
I told you Santa was going to bring it.
Mommy,
Yes?
I'm open the boat, making a space station for me.
Yes. There's more presents over here, honey.
You open it. I want to rip it.
Come here, Nolan. Here. Mommy ripped it.
Mommy, you rip it. Yeah, I want to rip that.
Okay, you rip it now.
Look, you have been. I'm sitting in the queen. It's doggy game. It's doggy game. It's dog.
No, open it up. Open it up. It's a camera. A real camera.
Just for me.
Just for you.
Mommy, and me will pick up this as a.
I can't take the pictures because he's too close to me. Please take some pictures with my camera. Never mind the video. You can't send these to anybody.
Mommy, I'll
Ridiculous.
rip it.
One thing I ask.
Mommy, see, I want to rip it.
Forget it. If you're going to do it that way, just forget it. Just ruin the whole
Maybe I
thing.
want to rip it.
That was your way.
Rip it. It's my hair.
Look. Last year you stood there so you could see his face when he opened stuff. Got it? He's making presents.
Just getting presents from Santa.
See what this is.
I
Here, I'll rip it. You gotta rip this open. Here, rip it open.
A space station. Oh, I want it.
That's what you wanted.
Mommy,
Yes.
rip a hole.
Yes.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Yes. You got your space station. I told you elves would make it for you. You told Santa and they made it. Wow. Where's the stuff from Sally?
Mommy,
Yes?
like in my space station.
I don't know. We'll have to open it up and see.
The switch coming now.
Oh. Oh, there's a present. Open that one.
Ready with it. I'm ripping it. I'm seeing it under it. No, I'm ripping this.
Turn it over.
Mine.
It's your iPad. Just for you.
Mommy.
Open my space station. Did you get lots of presents from Santa?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah. The space station. The space station, Mommy.
You want Daddy to open it?
Yeah, please open it.
Okay, Daddy's gonna open it.
Please open my space station. Please open my space station, Daddy.